All right, Rob Frazier here. So this video wanted to talk about how the multiple income funnel and the programs that I have replaced inside of it, how this whole system will help you understand and learn social media marketing. If you know me, you know I hated social media. I hated posting on social media. I hated all how everyone in affiliate marketing sits there and posts, motivational quotes and all kind of crap that doesn't help you market on social media. And I just stopped using social media as a big part of my affiliate marketing because of it. I just hated the idea of having to always have to post, always being glued to it. I see so many people saying, "Oh, I only work 30 minutes a day." Yet you see that person on social media like all hours of the morning, evening, night, always posting, always doing selfies, always doing stories and all kind of stuff. And I just did not want to have to do that to do affiliate marketing. And I just wanted to just get on, do what I needed to do, chat with a few people here and there, and get off. And so for a long time, I just didn't have social media, I didn't have a strategy until I've personally pieced all of the trainings and in four of these programs. Now I'm gonna get into them, but really, this whole thing is a social media marketing course. There are other ways to market the multiple income funnel. You can use paid traffic, you can do content marketing, which is part of social media. However, what I want to focus on is the social media aspects and all of the programs that I've put together inside this system. That's my common thread. I didn't want to just add programs just for shits and giggles and just to, oh, this is how you can make money, this is how you can make money, and have four randomly pieced programs in here. I wanted it to make sense, to have a flow, to join, the first thing, apply the training, and then join the second thing, and then take that training and apply it. It's like a growing uh, knowledge, if you will. Everything builds on each other, in my opinion. So that being said, I'm gonna just talk about the. I'm gonna just show where to get the trainings and how they have helped me with my social media. Um, so there's four income streams to my system that I highly suggest everyone gets in. Multiple income funnel, income stream number one. TJ Holloway's six-figure blueprint, income stream number two. Power lead system. Yes, the cash now funnel created by Frank Calabro. Um, income stream number three. The Max Steingard's Endless Free Leads training, social media training that will have you knowing exactly how to ask people the right questions to see if they're open to your opportunity, how to close people. The whole deal is laid out in Endless Free Leads, and you get that Endless Free Leads just for being a Power Lead System Gold member. Another train, yeah, and I'm gonna actually get into where to find those trainings, but I just wanted to give like a quick little snippet before I talk about where to find those trainings. Another training with the Power Lead System is the Home Business Pro. The Home Business Pro focuses on email marketing, but the same concepts can be applied to your social media. Because email marketing and social media goes hand in hand. You email your list, you take what you email your list, and you essentially craft it into a social media post. Now, you don't just post about any and everything. You have to have a story. You have to know who you want to work with. You have to target those people. You have to speak their language. You can't be hype fueled. You can't post motivational quotes that everybody's posting. You can't post other people's results that you don't personally know. There's a whole bunch of different things. So that being said, I kind of want to get into this a little bit more. So again, and then the last program is Traffic Authority. However, there's one product in that program that I highly suggest you get. The number one income earner inside the multiple income funnel, Michael Day, sponsored, I think, 3,300 total people. Matter of fact, instead of just sitting here just jibber jabbing, let me scroll down here. Michael Day, 3,318 referrals. A lot of them was from his social media. And within the fourth income stream, he has something called the Fastlane affiliate system, which I'm going to kind of get into here a little bit, to which he talks about his exact method of using social media and how he built how he got his 3,300 referrals is by using Traffic Authority traffic and actually his TikTok. And that's it. And then he started posting on YouTube, which it's the same concept. If you can post videos on TikTok, you can post them on YouTube. It's all the same. So, going back, let's back up just a little bit. I know I dumped a lot of information out there. Let's go to start here. With the multiple income funnel, you get basic training. I'm going to go over here to training. This is part of some of the training you're going to get. You get 7 steps to success. It's seven short little videos to watch. Marketing system, success training, weekly MIF training calls. They used to have weekly calls. They don't have many more. However, all of the old calls have been documented and recorded and placed here in the back office for you to watch. I've been interviewed in one of those, talking about Power Lead System when it was one of the main programs before you can swap out your own programs. So I go into a little bit of it there. You can watch my interview there. But what I want to focus on is the marketing system success training. Basically, this guy right here does an amazing job of training people, giving you a basic understanding of what is going to take to be successful in this thing. I mean, these things can be applied to any business. It's not just a multiple income funnel thing. It can be applied to anything you're promoting. However, the idea is to get other people hooked up with the same training so that they can have the same results. So you can see the screen. You can see example of some of the training. He has traffic training. You have success training. You click on there. You scroll down, and I keep forgetting the Mac. You have to scroll it the other way. These videos are highly valuable. Again, you can apply them to anything. I highly suggest watching them. Become a product of the product, telling your story, setting goals, the whole deal. It's a solid rundown, and it is solid training that you get with this program. Click on traffic training here. Same thing down here. He touches on social media a little bit in the first portion. I'm kind of glossing over it real fast because I'm already at 8 minutes here. But here, same thing. He's talking about Facebook post, warm market, talking about emailing your list, refer a friend, texting, and then he goes into placing ads and a few different other things. It's just a basic training on marketing with a little bit of social media pieces here and there. The Traffic Authority, the one product that I will recommend is that Fastlane affiliate program. This is the video for it. How do you access it is you go back here to your main funnel. You go to bonus income streams. You scroll down here, bonus income stream number 7. Discover how the number 1 income earner. I showed you the screen. His training, how he did it, is that Fastlane affiliate system. And this right here is the video you can watch. If you haven't joined it or purchased it, you'll have a button there so you can get that information there. My second program, TJ Holloway's 6-figure blueprint. I'm going to just click on a 6-figure library. He has all sorts of different things here. One thing he does also have is a Craigslist kind of an autoresponder. You post an ad on Craigslist, somebody responds, they get an automatic email. Very, very slick, very cool tool. But in the 6-figure library, the 6-figure video library, and he has scripts that you can take. However, I do believe the Endless Free Leads scripts are just a touch better. However, what I do personally is I take all of the scripts and I kind of add my own twist to them, and then I just create basically a sales funnel conversation. So I use bits and pieces from his sales scripts, and a lot of my training I get over here from the Endless Free Leads, which is their third income stream. So this is the second income stream. You get access to the 6-figure video library, 6-figure sales scripts. You get other trainings, but And that six-figure video library is 2 specific trainings from 2 different marketers who really give their angle of social media. Basically, it's not just posting random things. You're posting your story. You're posting your story so you attract the right people, so you can target them, so you can bring people who are like-minded, like you, into your business instead of random jokers that you may find online. So it's a combination of these trainings, and you can see how they start to build. Once you learn how to craft and create a story from these trainings here, then we enter in the Max Steingard's Endless Free Leads training. This is my 3rd program. Endless Free Leads training. It's a beautiful conversational sales funnel, basically. You can take any conversation with anybody, anywhere, on social media, in person, at the gym, doesn't matter. He gives you specific questions to ask to see if people are open to your opportunity. You ask those questions, and based on the answers, you know whether or not to take them to the next part of your conversational sales funnel. And he walks you all the way from that first conversation. Hey, my name's Rob. What do you do? And, you can tweak it to make it sound like you. And it goes from that initial conversation, question, all the way through the close. And it's just based on their answers, their questions, how they move in your funnel. Home Business Pro, the only other product within the Power Lead System suite that I'm highly recommending. Home Business Pro will teach you how to do all of this in email fashion. So if you're buying traffic to promote this whole deal, you can use that Home Business Pro to write personal emails so you can personally connect to your email list and bring them into your world. So everything kind of works together. I know I'm going already at 12 minutes here. If you stuck with me this long, congratulations. But I just wanted to share, this is a social media course start to finish. The programs that I specifically placed in here are centered around social media, and it's just one of those things. And it's not just social media. It can be in person too. Because once you learn the Max Steingard's Endless Free Leads training, you can apply that conversation, and it's not hard. I mean, I can rattle off the questions right now just without even thinking about it, and make them sound like me instead of sounding like I'm talking as, in a script, which is a big problem that people sometimes have. Going through that Home Business Pro training will really kind of gel that training together, and it will help your email marketing as well. You won't sound so hype-filled sending out emails. You'll be able to tell your story. You'll be able to connect with people. You'll be able to really form a connection, bring those people into your business, and those are the folks who will spend money with you, and you can create this whole group economics thing. So that being said, wrapping this video up, name's Rob Frazier. Underneath this video, I'm gonna have a link to the main system here. If you're getting this in my email list, you're gonna see a different link, but this is it. Complete social media course, start to finish. Rob Frazier here, wrapping this video up. We'll see you in the next one. Peace!